Hi, and welcome to our next video for the M8 Series controller. How to change your display for operator usage. To start, we want to go to the monitor screen. If you hit Display switch in the bottom right-hand corner, you will notice you have submenus: Single Counter, Dual Counter, Quad Counter. Single Counter allows for a single counter and is blown up in the display. Dual Counter allows for 2 counters on your display. And Quad Counter allows for up to 4 counters in your display. Each one of these counters can be changed by using the Counter 1, Counter 2, Counter 3, and Counter 4 submenus at the bottom of your display. For example, I'm going to use Counter 1. As I depress Counter 1, you'll see in the upper left-hand corner that the counter is changing. Some of the typical counters that we use: relative position. Relative position is a user counter that is resettable. Program position counter is the position of the G-code program that is being run. Machine position is the actual position of the machine with no offsets. Remain command counter is the counter that shows distance to go in the current move. You can also see your tool changes: a spindle load monitor, a fade rate monitor, a cycle count time monitor, your G-code program, and the bottom right-hand corner, which is showing work offset right now, can be changed by going into Maintenance, Parameters, and selecting Parameter 8940. By changing the parameter, you can use local variables, common variables, tool offsets, or work offsets. I hope this information was helpful, and if you have any questions, please contact us at cnc@meau.com. Thanks and have a great day.